Building maintainable software is crucial for ensuring that applications remain reliable and adaptable over time. Well-maintained code is easier to update, debug, and enhance, reducing the effort required for future changes. This not only lowers long-term costs by minimizing the resources needed for maintenance but also supports the sustainability of the software. By prioritizing maintainability from the start, organizations can avoid technical debt and ensure their systems continue to meet evolving needs. Good software design is essential for creating systems that stand the test of time. Modularity allows different components to function independently, making updates and maintenance much easier. Clear documentation ensures that future developers can understand and work with the code efficiently, reducing the risk of errors. Adaptability is also crucial, as it enables the software to evolve alongside changing requirements and technologies. Together, these principles help maintain a robust, flexible, and sustainable system. Adopting maintainable practices early on can have a profound impact on the long-term health of any project. By prioritizing clear documentation, modular code, and regular refactoring, teams can prevent the accumulation of technical debt that often leads to costly fixes down the line. These strategies not only streamline future updates and troubleshooting but also make it easier for new contributors to understand and work with the system. Ultimately, investing in maintainability today helps organizations avoid unexpected expenses and ensures smoother growth as technology evolves. In summary, maintainable software offers significant advantages, including reduced costs, easier updates, and greater adaptability to changing requirements. By prioritizing best design practices, teams can ensure their code remains robust and manageable over time. This approach not only streamlines future development but also minimizes technical debt. Embracing these principles is essential for achieving long-term success in any software project.